Why aren't you wearing a beanie today? Because it's too warm to wear one. Well, that doesn't matter. I'm always too cold.
Hey guys,
Hey, Elisa.
guess where I was just at today?
Well, I'm gonna guess Lego.
Yup. Guess what I got? I got the Dungeons and Dragons Lego set.
Whoa, that's big. How many pieces does it come with?
3,745 pieces. That's quite a lot.
Wow, my DeLorean only comes with 1782, so it's a lot.
Isn't it awesome?
How much did that cost?
Irrelevant. And the cool thing is, it comes with a campaign. So you don't have to build your own. I can teach you guys how to play. Easy.
Who are you gonna build it with? Because, I've been your best friend for years.
I thought you didn't like Dungeons and Dragons.
I roll for persuasion. Natural 20.
Where'd you get those dice? You want to see my dice collection?
You've entered the point in no return.